Okay, guys, what the fuck is going on? The market's basically retracted 50% in 2 days. So I want to take a quick look at the charts to just see where we're at and if this bubble is over or maybe if this just is a little blip on the way to go higher. So here you see the long-term chart of Bitcoin in log scale. And as you can see, it doesn't look as bad anymore because there's only like two little red candles up here. But this is only because it is in this log scale. Bitcoin basically went to 2800 and then kind of crashed down to 2000. So let's take a look at this a little more detailed here. So here we now have a little more shorter term view on the charts. And so what we see here is this trend channel that has formed since about 2 years ago. And so one thing that's really important is that we stay above this trend channel here, because that way we can just kind of keep on going up exponentially here in this bubble right now. So as long as we stay above here, I'm not super concerned. Once we fall through this red line here and then through the next line, then we know definitely that this run is over. So right now, I think this is just kind of a little bit of the market taking a deep breath. It feels really radical because we have these in Bitcoin here 30% retraction in 2 days, and in the altcoins, most of the altcoins went down 50%. But in generally, this still looks kind of really strong. In fact, I just bought overnight here around 2000 because I just see this a little bit here, support around 2000. And you can see the market kind of stayed above that. Yeah, so that's it for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So in Ethereum here, again, this is also a log chart. We see kind of the longer term trend where we went from 10 to 50, then to 100, and then to 200. And so yesterday or the last 2 days, we basically went all the way to 200 and then almost crashed down to almost 100. So that is quite big swings, 50% swings within a day or two. That just feels really crappy, especially if you just gotten into this market the last 2 days. However, take a look at just how this looks a bit more longer term. And now what we see here is that we have this log trend channel here that has formed, that Ethereum has just broken out like 2, 3, 5 days ago. When was this candle here? 519. It is now 527. So a week ago, we broke out of this channel. And so what is critical here, just like with Bitcoin, that we stay above this channel. And so far, that is the case. So because of this, I'm not concerned about Ethereum or Bitcoin. All the altcoins, of course, is a little bit of a bigger story. But as long as these kind of things hold, I think we should be okay. And I personally do expect the market to go further up. So that's just a very quick review of the situation right now. My way of basically trying to look at this and not panic. Again, this is normal that you're going to lose like these huge amounts if you kind of have these extremes runs, and you know the volatility is just as insane. So just try to stay calm, make good trades, and good luck.